As you can see here, the wing structure optimization significantly reduces drag at high altitude.
And this accounts for the new fuel capacity.
Precisely.
Yeah.
This seam right here, the scanner shows a minor deviation.
I see it. Let's log it as a level 2 observation before sign off.
We are aligned at station 4. Laser is green.
Copy that. Bring it down another 2 inches.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
Sector 4 Alpha is clear, moving to the stabilizer.
Copy that. Check the leading edge for heat stress.
Scan complete on the leading edge, all green.
Confirmed on the console. Structural integrity is optimal.
All parameters are reading within tolerance.
Confirmed. System check complete on the auxiliary unit.
Hold position on the starboard side. We need another 2 degrees down.
Solid connection.
Confirmed. Ready for the next stage.
Initiate the emergency sequence test.
Sequence active. Pressure holding steady. Green light confirmed.
Test passed. Data logged.
Initiating power cycle on bus 3.
Readings are nominal. Logging the sequence now.
Bay 3, align the starboard wing now.
Copy that. Alignment underway.
Clear to proceed for inspection.
Check the clearance here, 4.2.
Okay, that matches the schematic. Make the micro adjustment.
And locked.
Good to go.
Torque is set on the left bolt.
Confirmed.
Checking the wiring harness now. There is a slight imperfection on this section right here.
Noted. I'll log it on the tablet for rework.
Bring it down another 2 millimeters. Confirm alignment on section 9.
Confirmed. Steady as she goes.
Apply torque to the main coupling.
Confirmed. Torque to specification. Latch secure.
Hold the line, watch the tail clearance. Clear on my side, keep coming.
Alignment is good, pressure steady.
Confirmed. We have full extension, data logged.
Check the gauge on the left manifold.
Reading confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Emergency override switch engaged. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Confirmed on the tablet. All protocols met for this section.
All primary flight controls check nominal.
Affirmative. Reviewing engine parameters now. Everything is in the green.
All systems nominal on the main console. How's the gear inspection coming along? Borescope clear. Retraction test in 5.
Make sure this section is perfectly flush before I start the next run.
Final calibration sequence initiated. Reading stable at 5/100ths. We are good to go.
Airflow looks consistent at 200 CFM.
The gradient is stable across the row. Looks good.
Beginning the elevator deflection test. Readings are stable. Now checking the rudder response.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Clear the starboard side. Check hydraulic pressure on main gear.
Reading nominal, Zulu. Green light on hydraulics.
Verifying the fuselage seam at marker 12.
Confirmed. No discrepancies noted.
The pressure distribution looks stable at this angle.
Check the trailing edge sensors again. We're seeing some fluctuation.
Verify torque on the rudder bolts. Reading 250 inch-pounds. Acknowledged. Log it.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters. Confirm secure. We are good to go.
Handle pulled, mechanism engaged. See the green indicator.
Confirmed. Test complete.
Cargo door secured and sealed. All green on the manifest.
Cabin inspection complete. Ready for final sign-off.
The laser shows perfect alignment on the starboard side.
Okay. Noted on the tablet. We can sign off on this section.
The pressure readings are stable during the cycle.
Acknowledged. Data log complete for the hydraulics test.
TSC reports all pressure stable.
Roger. Roger, moving to Station 4. We are green across the board. Base, this is Inspection Team 1. Forward systems are nominal. Ready for engine run-up. Check the sensor reading on auxiliary port 3.
Reading confirmed nominal.
All green for positioning.
Initiating sequence 34. Switch set to launch.
Confirmed. Telemetry is nominal. We are green across the board, Captain.
Fitting 4R, torque applied.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Overhead panel, initiate sequence.
Sequence engaged. All green on hydraulics.
Roger that. Moving to flight controls check.
Final bolt torqued and secured.
Reading confirmed on the schematic.
Good work.
Systems check finalized.
Data uploaded from Station 4. Final delivery prep is good to go.
Clear left side, hold short at the yellow line. Affirmative, holding short. Gear inspection complete and logged.
Final checks complete on the gear. Everything is tight.
Confirmed. We are green for delivery.
Slow and steady now. We are clear for final approach.
Roger that. Preparing to disconnect the tug.
Check complete. Gear pins removed. Copy that. Confirming green status on panel 5.
Liftoff confirmed. All parameters are nominal. Tracking initiated.
Systems check green. We are at V1. Rotate.
Positive rate, gear up, telemetry solid.